Here we go.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to go ahead and wrap up our unit on work power. We'll start off with direction matters. What do I mean by this? Well, work is force times the displacement, but there's this thing in the middle, the direction of the displacement, right?
Yeah.
That's what the cosine theta tells us. And see if you can figure these out on your own first. Pause the video. If the force is up and the displacement is up, is the work positive, negative, or is there any force at all?
Right.
If the work is up and the displacement is down, tell me about the work. Is it positive, negative, or is it not at all? If the work is up and it's horizontal,
Yep.
how much work there?
Because work is force times displacement in the direction of the force, and the relationship between those two directions determine what kind of work you've got.
So you should have gotten up and up, the cosine of 0 is a positive one, so positive. Up and down, cosine of 180 is a negative one, right? So negative work here. And then up and horizontal is perpendicular, and the cosine of 90 is 0.
0.
No work done when you're going horizontally. Okay, perpendicular to the force. Okay, so here is your task today. You are going to officially write your lab report for the Bleachers lab that me and Mr. Boykin did.
It would have been wonderful if you could have been here and done it yourself, but you're going to have to use our data.
And our data is pretty good.
It is good data.
Okay, so here is what you're going to do. Step 1, make a sketch of the stairs. Keep it simple. Show and identify all the data collected. So if you need to go back and rewatch that video and get our masses, get the times, calculate the steps, the distance, all that stuff. You need to get that data and show it and identify it. You could do that by saying mass equals blank, force equals blank, and label it all.
Yep.
Okay, show your calculation for force.
You had our masses. How do you get the force?
Well, gotta multiply by the
Don't tell them, don't tell them.
Okay, show the calculation of work. Okay, work equals force times distance. Show calculation of power. Power is work over time, okay? Make a statement about the potential for injury. What the heck does that mean?
If you look over the top of the bleachers, it's a long way down.
If I'm at the very, very top, I look down, and there is a big potential to get hurt from up there.
And then when you go down halfway and look over the edge,
It's not as bad, right?
no.
And then I go all the way down to the bottom, and I look down at my bottom step, and I could hop off, and it wouldn't be a problem.
There you go.
So talk to me about the potential for injury at the various heights. Okay, so pause this, do that now. Yeah, now you want to do it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so how will I grade you on this? The things that I will, oh, sorry, pause. Don't pause, keep going. So once you're done with that, you'll turn that into this Canvas assignment. And the next thing we're going to do is called the Write to Revise, which is a really awesome thing that we do in class. And since we're not doing it in class, I'm going to kind of adapt it for you at home. So here's what I want. You've written your lab report, you've fleshed out all the data, your calculations. Now I want you to put into words and tell me, after you climbed the bleachers, what all did you have to find power? Using words.
That's right.
Okay,
You've already done it. Now, can you tell us what you've done?
Yeah, tell me the story and keep it simple. Okay, pause this and do that. And how will I grade you on this? Well, you need to include how you found the mass and the weight.
Yep.
You need to include how you found the height of one step.
Well, we gave that to them.
Oh yeah, sorry, I gave you the height of the step, but tell me how you found the number, and then the number of steps and time. So I want to know what the height of one step is, the number of steps, and then how you find the total displacement there. And the time, you need to include all those things, and I gave you these 3. You need to show me how you did this to find work, and how you did this to find power.
Yep, that's what we're going to grade it on.
That's what I need to know.
And that's it.
That's it, okay? Do that now.